Hi everybody, and let me show you a small demo about how to use the ClassXR platform. So this is the main page where we talk about some of the benefits of the product, and if you really want to start using the ClassXR platform, you would go on the top right hand corner. You would see the dashboard. Uh, if you have once you have signed in with all the information that we have sent you via the email, you can just go in, sign up, and then you can see the dashboard. Clicking on the dashboard, you will see that all the lessons that you have created will be listed there. If you are a new user, you won't see anything listed there, and you can just start creating the lesson. To create a lesson, go to the blue button and click create a lesson. This will then take you to a small form where you can add the lesson title, the lesson description, and select the kind of template that you want. Now, this is an exclusive iPad application, so you would pick the iPad template that is below. And once you click the iPad template, you would hit create lesson. There you go. So now we have created the lesson. So the idea now is, how do we create the different aspects of the lesson? In ClassXR, the lesson is distributed into what we call as spaces, which is very similar to slides in a PowerPoint presentation. So if you want to start off with the first space, let's say we use a 360 image. So we go there and we select the 360 image option. After we select it, we'll have a small form that asks us to upload the 360 image for this specific lesson. Once you hit upload, it will kind of open your file picker of your desktop, and you can pick the file and it will then sort of upload the image, and you'll see a small preview. So now with this preview, then you can add a title. After you add the title, if you really want to add audio with your own instructions, you can record audio and then add it to it. In this demo, we won't really add instructions, and then you would save it. We save the space, and now we add another space. It's like adding another slide. Let's add a 360 video now. Click there. Now you upload the 360 video that you have by clicking the upload button. Select it. There. Now you'll see that the 360 video is uploading. It takes a while depending on the size of the video. Great. Now you have uploaded. You can add the title to this video, which will be available inside the portal itself. And once you're done with that, again, like the 360 image, you can either add audio or you can just kind of preview the video right there. As you can see, it's playing. You can see the entire video if you want. Then you can save the space by hitting the green button. Now we can add another space where we'll add a 3D object. Now for adding the 3D object, we go search for the 3D object in our 3D object database. So here we're going to type Eiffel Tower, hit search, and we will get all of these sort of public domain 3D objects. We can select any one of these and add it to the lesson. We can add more description to the lesson. Now, one cool aspect in this is that we can add a 3D object inside a 360 space. So for example, you want to add a 3D object inside a 360 image or a video, that can be done. So in this option, we're going to select a 360 image, and then we're going to upload that 360 image. In this case, we're going to probably take the same sort of Eiffel Tower panorama. We upload it. We can see the preview there, and once that's done, we hit save space on the top, and that's it. And now we can hit publish, and your lesson is ready to be published. And that code that you can see, the D547D8, that's the code that you'll give your students, and they will add this code into the iPad app, and they will get to view the portal. once you get the student code, you put it in the app, and once you put the big white button, it opens up into the AR mode. Here I'm standing in my backyard, and here you can see in augmented reality the lesson. I tap on open a portal. I tap on the screen and the portal will open up. Once the portal opens up, you can kind of walk into the portal. This portal shows the first space, which is a 360 image of the Eiffel Tower, and then you can kind of move between the spaces below. I'm going to move to the 360 video, and now this is the 360 video that we uploaded during the creation of the lesson. Here you can see you have the volume icons. You can either mute the video, or you can let it play. You can see a little bit of the next space. The next space is again a 360 image, and we have added a 3D model of the Eiffel Tower in this. It should be somewhere here. There it is. Now we can kind of walk towards the 3D model. You can see the 3D model in real time. You can see the big 360 image on the top. You can kind of zoom into the 3D model, kind of look at it from a different perspective. This is great. So this is kind of how you can create a great lesson in augmented reality for your students. And again, you can see that we are actually in the real space, and if I switch off the lesson, you can see I'm still in my backyard. And this is how you create a lesson using ClassXR, and you can then allow your students to really go through this in augmented reality. Contact us if you need more information, and we would love to get you set up and your school on ClassXR. Thank you.